Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to talk about the importance of operating context. I'm Nancy Regan and I'm in Boston, Massachusetts, and I'm here to help my sister get ready for her wedding that takes place next week. And we're walking around doing errands, and something reminded me about reliability-centered maintenance. Let me show you. See, I live in Alabama, and if I cross the street, all I have to consider are cars. But in Boston, they have these bike lanes everywhere, and they can be just as dangerous as cars if one hits you. You have to be really careful that you look both ways for the bikes and the cars. Now, the same thing goes for our equipment. When it comes to operating environment, where we operate our machines, how often we operate our machines, what we need from them can vary greatly. You can have the same piece of equipment operating in Alaska, for example, and operating in the desert. And so, in many cases, the types of maintenance tasks that you may do and the frequency at which you perform them can vary greatly because they are used in such different operating environments.
That's why you should not implement manufacturer recommended maintenance tasks and intervals without reviewing them first. The conditions that the manufacturer assumes can be way different from your own.
And when you do reliability-centered maintenance, that is something that we focus on, where we consider all aspects of the operating environment. I'm Nancy Regan from Boston, Massachusetts. Thank you for watching.